Okay, here at 7-Eleven. Gonna buy some food. Food. Yan. Bread. Pero ngayon ay alas 3 pasado na ng madaling araw. 3 a.m. in the morning, so I need something hot. Hot. Pwede pakuluin. Curry and rice. Natin. Oh, here. Thanks.